So I'm going to zoom in and show you this neighborhood of Westfield on the peninsula. But you can see it's down near this rolling hills highlighted name. And here's the relation to LA International Airport, Los Angeles, the West Side, Century City.
Your commute to your job is something that you can obviously check out on Google, but this side of the hill is that much closer to any kind of commute or shopping or restaurants or amenities of Los Angeles.
All of this portion is the peninsula, and it's a large hill that sort of has a crest up. Here's Crest Road, but before you get up there, there's this neighborhood off Palos Verdes Drive North, and we'll come in and look. It's entered off Eastvale Road.
The homes in Westfield in the Rolling Hills, California area are large single-family homes built in the 1960s and early 70s. Many have been rehabbed and renovated over the years. They're on large lots, and many have wonderful views. Many have swimming pools. The schools that Westfield is connected to are some of the best in the nation, as the Palos Verdes Unified School District has the two high schools are in the top 100 high schools in the entire nation, Palos Verdes Peninsula High School and Palos Verdes High School. These Westfield homes are connected to Rancho Vista Elementary and Miralest Intermediate School. There's a relatively low tax rate, and do make sure when you're checking on any given home with your realtor that you get the actual tax rate pulled for that home, because you never quite know until you look at it for sure exactly what taxes are on any given home in any city in California. The homeowners association there is voluntary. You don't hear that too much. Usually HOAs are not voluntary. You have to join it if you buy the house. So this is kind of a unique feature of the Westfield HOA. The HOA itself offers several great amenities, including tennis courts, horse trails, riding stables, and rings. The Westfield HOA community typically hosts holiday parades and a street fair carnival. If you've thought about moving closer to the ocean, you might want to check out our video, The Worst Things About Living in Rancho Palos Verdes.